Hello everyone. I'm Lee. Welcome to subscribe to my channel. Featured area at the top right of the video. Position of the letter I flashing. There are more quality technology videos. You can click to view. Share this video. Previously introduced how to use ADB to install any Android application in Windows 11. But ADB is command line based. Many partners will be discouraged by the poor operability. This video recommends an Android package installer for Windows 11 platform. You can install the APK by double-clicking on it directly. The point is that it's open source and free. This tool is called sous-pacman. It is a GUI package manager and package installer for Windows subsystem for Android, WSA. You can double-click APK and zap to install directly on Windows 11. You still need to open WSA before you can use it. About how to open the WSA. You can watch the recommended video that pops up above. Visit sous-pacman's development page. Below you can find its description and screenshots. Click on the link with the version number below the releases on the right. The exe file is the same as most installers. Double-click and follow the prompts for each step. The zip file is the zip archive of the program. Unzip it and run it. Also known as green software. Here we recommend downloading the exe file. After all, installing the APK is an operation related to the system layer. Download the exe file and install and run it. The option here means that sous-pacman is associated with the APK file. Only after the APK is associated with the program can the APK be installed by double-clicking on it. It's like associating a docs file with a Word. Only after docs and Word programs are associated. Double-click on docs file to open it with Word by default. Restart the computer. Open the WSA settings. Turn on developer mode. Click on Manage Developer Settings below. Allow access to the network. Swipe down. Confirm that USB debugging is on. Example of installing WeChat for Android with Windows 11. Download the APK file from the official website. The downloaded APK file already has an icon. This means that sous-pacman is already associated. Double-click to install WeChat. The installation prompts an error. There is no WeChat program in the Start menu. Double-click the WeChat installer again. Change Install to Reinstall. Indicates that the system already has this program. Check the Start menu again. WeChat already exists. Open WeChat. The interface is the same as the mobile version of WeChat, because my system has an English interface. So WeChat is in English by default. This can be adjusted through the settings. This completes the installation of the APK in Windows 11 by double-clicking on it. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn on the little bell. You will be notified when a new video is uploaded. See you in the next video.